Brighten your morning with a physics experiment. If I blow over the top of this toilet paper, where do you think this ant will go? Up or down? Let's check. It goes up. Bernoulli's principle. I create high speed of air above this toilet paper. High speed means low pressure. Low pressure, high pressure underneath. Then there is uplifting force from high pressure to low pressure that brings paper up, and airflow pushes it forward. If you want to do it on a larger scale, look what we do. The higher the speed of the airflow, the lower the pressure in it. High speed of airflow. Ping pong ball goes there. It's not surprising. Airflow pushes it up, but now watch. Why is it stable? What keeps it in airflow? I created high speed of airflow around the ping pong ball. High speed means low pressure. Then there is force from high pressure to low pressure that keeps the ping pong ball stable. Add more ping pong balls into the airflow.
You